Hello, today I stopped off at Cloghy Rocks and it's a nature reserve which is mostly well known for the harbour seals, and there's one ahead of us here moving on the rock just in front of us here. Can you see him moving his tail up and down? They're quite difficult to spot as they are concealed quite well. They're dark brown colour in the rocks. So at high tide, these beautiful seals dry themselves on the rocks at Strangford Lough. So Strangford Lough it separates, so basically the Ards Peninsula is on the other side of the loch, and that peninsula separates Strangford Lough from the Irish Sea. So the Strangford ferry, which is located just to the left of this spot here, that leaves Strangford and goes over to a town called Portaferry, which is on the Ards Peninsula, and that leaves every half an hour from Strangford. A beautiful harbour village, you could call it. It's quite a small village with a lovely hotel called the Coon. I stayed there last night, had a beautiful breakfast and lovely dinner, and everyone was very nice. There's the seal again. I found it difficult to focus because you really would need binoculars to see the seals properly. I was pretty sure there was another one or two over here to the left of that particular mound of rocks. So there's the poster by Cloghy Rocks. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And shows you some of the other wildlife and sea life to look out for also. So, lovely nature reserve on the coast of County Down. It's called the Lecale Coast. I hope I've pronounced that properly too. And you can see there the map to the right, a green piece of the information leaflet shows you the peninsula